Apple has just introduced a brand new iPhone called the iPhone Air. And in this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about the new iPhone Air. At just 5.6 millimeters thick, this is the thinnest iPhone ever made. But get this, it's somehow more durable than previous models. How? Grade 5 titanium frame with a gorgeous mirror finish and ceramic shields on both the front and back. We're talking 3 times better scratch resistant on the front, 4 times better scratch resistant on the back. This thing is built like a tank, but it feels like you're holding a piece of paper. But here's where it gets really interesting. We've got not 1, not 2, but 3 Apple designed chips inside. The powerhouse A19 Pro, the new N1 wireless chip with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6, and get this, a brand new C1X cellular modem that's twice as fast as the C1 while using 30% less power. This might be the most power efficient iPhone ever made. There's also a new innovative center stage front camera, which means no more rotating your phone for landscape selfies. It automatically adjusts and can even record from both front and rear cameras simultaneously. Around back, there's a 48 megapixel main camera, which gives you the equivalent of 4 lenses with an optical quality 2 times telephoto and incredible low light performance. And despite being so incredibly thin, Apple somehow packed in an all-day battery thanks to that efficient Apple Silicon and redesigned internal architecture. Plus, there's a new ultra-thin MagSafe battery accessory that can give you up to 40 hours of total video playback. The iPhone Air comes in 4 gorgeous finishes: space black, cloud white, light gold, and sky blue. It's an eSIM only design, which helps achieve that incredible thinness while making international travel easier than ever. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video of the iPhone Air. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave your comments below. Let me know what you think of the iPhone Air, particularly who you think is going to buy it. I'm very curious to know all about that. I'm Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. See you again next time.